Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to teach you how to make Spotify playlist public. Go and open your Spotify application. Now once you have opened your Spotify application, by the bottom right corner of your screen, you will see the option that says your library. Click on it. Once you click on it, it will bring you to this page. Now, if you don't have a Spotify playlist, I will be showing you how to create it before making it public. So now you will see this plus option by the top right corner of your screen. Click on it. Once you click on it, it will bring up few options below. You will see the option that says playlist. Click on it. Once you click on it, it will bring you here where you can give your playlist a name. So type in the name, what you want to name your playlist. As for me, I will be calling it my name. That's Orok. Once I type in my name, I click on create. Now it will create my playlist. So if you want to add any music to the playlist, click on add to this playlist. It will bring you here where you will see list of musics. If you want to add any music, click on this plus option by the side of each music and it will add them to your playlist. If you want to search for any music so that you can add it to your playlist, you can simply type in the music name and click on the plus option. So it will add it to your playlist. So once you are done adding music to your playlist, as you can see, this is the playlist. It will bring you here. You will see the list of the music you added to the playlist. So once you've added the music to your playlist, click on this three dots line by the side of the playlist. It will bring you here. Now you will see the option that says make private. If it shows you make private, that means this playlist is already public. So right now, if you want to switch it to private, you click on make private. So now this playlist will be a private playlist. So you can go back and switch it to public playlist. That means you click on make public. You can see it has changed to make public. Click on it. And now it has changed to a public playlist. So this is how to make Spotify playlist public. If you find this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe. Thank you.